Okay, today we're going to build a set of Piperoid paper pipe robots. For this we need, well, a package of Piperoid paper pipe robots from Tokyo and a pair of scissors. So let's first see what's in the box. So we have 5 of these pre-printed pipes and then an instruction sheet. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut these pipes along the lines indicated on the diagram. So if you look at the pipes, there are these triple lines, and I think we're just going to cut along each of these lines. One. And a second one. Oh, the parts go flying. It's not a bad idea to maybe hold both sides while you cut them. So the other thing to note is that the individual pieces here, some of them have small numbers on one side, and these numbers will be referenced in the instructions. Alright, so now that we have all of the pieces for the robots cut, let's just pick out the ones we need for our first robot. So that is the face here, the body with the chain, the legs, and I believe number 12 here, this is a joint, and number 13 and I believe that's it. So let's put the other pieces aside and just assemble this guy. Alright, first we take the dotted lines here and fold inwards along the dotted line. So like so. Okay, this actually turns out to be a little challenging, so maybe we can use the back side of, or the front side of the scissors as a better edge. Okay. Now here comes the second one. Alright, so what I've done is now I've folded the head and the body into right angles. So now we're going to take the leg pieces, like so, and we'll thread this joint through the head, through the upper hole of the first leg piece. And then through the upper hole of the second leg piece. And finally through the second side of the head. So here the paper can, that you're trying to push through tends to get snagged on the edges, so you have to help get it unstuck. And now here the paper's a little bunched up, so we'll just take the scissors and kind of restore it so it's nice and neat again. Alright, so this is our current state. And now we're going to take the body piece and insert this longer arm piece through it, and then we'll have to bend the arm here on both sides. But first we'll push it through. So start on one side. Pushing through. Fold the body around. And finally push. So here you can see I'm a little stuck, so I'm going to try to bend the arm in a little bit, so it's getting stuck right here. Alright. Oh, and the head's coming apart, so let's just push that back into place too. Alright, so our robot is almost done, and now we just have to fold, as we did before, inwards along the dotted lines. First fold, and a second fold. And here also. One fold for the shoulder, and another for, I guess, what should be the elbow. And here we go. Here's our final robot. Let's just make sure he's symmetrical, and you can pose him by moving the head up and down, and also the arms can swing around. Alright, once again, here is the final end result.